Over 50 Guyanese are taking advantage of a free course in repairs and maintenance of heavy machinery that is being offered online. This is possible through a collaboration between the Ministry of Public Telecommunications and Machinery Corporation of Guyana Limited, MACORP.
Akeem Boston, a beneficiary of the program, expressed his joy to be able to have access to free training, something he said a lot of youths don't have access to.
It feels very great, and this is a great step for me because mostly people in Guyana don't get the opportunity to go to school and get free education and be advanced in education. So it's very great.
The courses will be facilitated by MACOR under its Caterpillar Technicians for the Caribbean program. Minister of Public Telecommunications Honorable Catherine Hughes, during a charge to the new recruits, noted that the program is in keeping with the administration's vision of ensuring Guyanese are empowered with the necessary skills and knowledge that will make them employable.
We know that ship and the industry is not going to employ hundreds of thousands of us. But the key to it is all the additional services that will be required. And already, this government has a policy that we ain't looking at oil alone. Oil and oil reserves is a means to do so many other things.
17-year-old Shondell Macbeth is one of the few women who expressed interest in the program. She noted that after she completes the online program, she hopes to pursue a career in the field at MACOR.
It's a great opportunity for young people to get involved in, the activity, and I feel it's a great way to also empower the young people, and also they can learn a new skill as well.
The certified training program was officially launched on Monday at the Arthur Chung Conference Center, where persons of all ages, including many women, turned up in their numbers to officially register for the program. This year, MACOR signed Memorandum of Understandings with the Public Telecommunications Ministry and the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs to offer training to Guyanese youth. Thus far, 961 persons have registered, and to date, 41 were certified and moved on to the practical aspect of the program. Natishia Isaacs for InfoHub.